Previously on the Great Classic Trade-Up.
We've got our final cars here.
This is an incredible ADO16.
Here's my entry, and that is this 2004 Jaguar XK8 Convertible. One person's going to walk away with one of these cars, and the one that isn't chosen is going to be auctioned at next spring's restoration show, and the money raised from that's going to go to charity.
But first, our friends at Lancaster Insurance are running monthly giveaways. You can win all sorts, from experience days to tools, restaurant vouchers and tech. So click the link below at the end of the video to enter their latest competition.
And the winner chose this, the delightful Austin 1300. So we're here today to present it Doug, the new owner. But first of all, Ev, you've driven it down today, so just tell us a little bit more about it.
What a cracking car, Phil. I've never driven one of these before, so it was a lovely little surprise this morning to jump into this. It's kind of bouncy and a nice kind of relaxing kind of ride. It kind of relaxes you. I mean, it's a beautiful car. It was fully restored, I believe, in 2002. All it really needs is a good polish, a little bit of a touch-up.
And a really sort of straight, honest condition car. They're really underrated because they get a bit of bad press, but actually they were great cars. They sold in their hundreds of thousands. They deserve praise, not sort of criticism.
Very much so.
A really good choice of car from Steph, and I know Doug will have no doubt many thousands of happy miles in it. So without further ado, we should probably present it to the new owner, Doug.
Yep, let's do that. Hi, Doug.
Hi.
You're the lucky winner.
Thank you.
Very, very proud to be giving it to you. Well done. Clearly a passionate man when it comes to classic cars. It's going to a nice owner.
Yeah, thank you very much. You'll be much looked after.
Good.
I was at the NEC in November with 3 of my friends. We came across the 2 cars in the competition. The other 3 guys all decided that they liked the Jag, and I decided I liked this. A couple of weeks later, I got the call saying that I was a winner and this was now going to be mine. So quite a surprise, and I was waiting for the, this is all just a wind up, but yeah, it's little beauty. I've got a 1980 Princess, which I've owned for a couple of years. That was at the NEC back in 2019. I also own a Mark II console, which I've owned since 1983. It's been on and off the road, so it's a bit of a project at present. And I have got a CA Bedford, which is also a restoration project as well. This is obviously going to be a show car, come a little run around for jobs like that. A bit like my Princess, really. They're the good ones, and the others are the restorations and projects that I've got to do. There's little bits and pieces, but you expect that with a 51-year-old car, so it'd just be tidy things up, run it, show it, do a few little clean-up jobs on it and use it for shows and trips out, the odd trip out here and there and the odd run. So that's my plans for it. But just look after it. Keep these old girls on the road. Fantastic to have gone to the Lancaster show and to have won this. It's just such a surprise, and wow, just beaming. The smile will be on my face on the way home.
Really pleased this glorious Austin 1300's going to a deserving owner. Huge thanks to Lancaster Insurance Services for this great classic trade-up that we've been doing all year. The 2004 Jaguar XK8 Convertible, that's now going to be auctioned off in March, and all the money from that will go to charity. So it's even generated some great money for a good cause as well. So we'll give you further updates on that in due course. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
This video is proudly sponsored by Lancaster Insurance. Give them a call on 01480 400 889 for an insurance quote on your classic car. And don't forget to click the link below to enter their latest competition.